Good evening, everyone. I am Ritika Goenka from Malda, West Bengal. I am a student of Business School, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. I am interning with Dorai Foundation for 15 days. Welcome you, sir. We have with us our achievers, Mr. Kamal Kishore Sharma, sir. He is the founder and secretary of Jankala Santhya JKSMS, and he is also a secretary of Fair Trade Forum India, and he is working with social field for 38 years. Sir, my question is, can you tell us more about your organization?
Yes, the my organization JKSMS working from last 38 years and mostly in the urban cities like Jaipur. We are working with the children of the payment dwellers. At present, we are running three homes for the children, two shelter home and one home. Shelter home, the children of streets and the child labor, homeless children, children of sex work, children and the children of prisoners. They are getting all the facilities for their integrated development. They are residing there. Then they they receive the shelter, medical, health, food, and their personal development opportunities. And the home children, they are living time when they complete their 18 years of age. They are getting all these facilities which I mentioned before. Shelter home, but, but in the shelter home, children live about 1 year only, and the home they are up to the age of 18 years. And we are also running the education centers in the 10 slums of Jaipur and one home in Baswara district, the tribal districts. And we are also running the different activities of the finance, the health cooperatives, and the sports club in the different slums and homes. These are, and we are also running Childline, the free phone service for the children 1098 in Jaipur district. These are our work for the children. On the livelihood opportunities, we are working. We develop three models of livelihood. One, agriculture related. Second, the tourism based activities related. And third, we develop the craft base. All three models we develop very successfully, and they are replicating by the government agencies and the different partners. Up to now, we receive more than 16 awards and honors from private sectors, national, state, and international level. And we are also the member of the Fair Trade Forum India. Fair Trade Forum Network is working in the 18 countries of the world, and we are associated with the World Fair Trade Organization. And the India chapter, I am the secretary of that network. And in the Fair Trade network, working with the NGOs, the companies, and the social entrepreneurs, more than 121 members. We support them for their livelihood, soft skills, and hard skills, and infrastructure development. We are following the 10 principles. We are giving also the certification of the fair trade to the different companies and NGOs. And third, we are working with for the social mobilization through the communication method.
That
These are our the different activities and about JKSMS. Yes.
sir, that was nice. Like ये सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा सर कि आप लोग कितना कुछ कर रहे हो. Sir, how do you connect with different people like slums area and all? मतलब कैसे बात लोगों से कनेक्ट होते हो एंड
मतलब, when we are going to the people, firstly we develop the friends. We go there, we discuss with them, we talk with them. Even we have the different friendly activities with, and and in the second part, we we organize the need based survey. What is their status and what is their needs? Then we plan with them how we can organize and plan for the different development for to fulfill their needs. So it is a long process to associate with them, to make friends and to interaction with them. We organize the theater activities with them also to the problem of them and what will be the solution. Our main our we understand that they have the problem, they have their own solution, and through the theater we identify this solution to play with them. Then we and from planning to implementation, the partners.
so that was nice to
Yes,
hear
Ritika.
that. So like as you're doing so much work and also how could you manage your professional and personal life?
देखिए, my professional life, personal life, I work more than 16 hours per day in my office, fields, goes to the population. I can told you that we are working at present the 1.5 million population, Rajasthan.
That's great,
And
sir.
personal life, it is difficult to lead. It is difficult to lead me with the personal life. I could not speak with my family members up to 1 week or more time. They continue. I am traveling. I came in the late night in the house, and early morning I left from the house. So some problems always, but they are very cooperating to me. They understand my situation. And the second thing, my wife is also working in the same with me. So she understands all the things.
That's nice.
We
Like
cooperate.
we, if family are supportive,
Yeah.
then we can do anything, sir. Even last two three
Yeah.
days
Without
before,
support of the family, we could not work.
yeah, even
Yeah.
last 2 3 days before only you were in meeting and you were out of station from your hometown, and so your
Yes,
family
yes, yes.
support yes, and family support is too much needed, sir. So like, what inspire
Yeah,
you to do that?
yeah, that is.
So like, what inspire you to do this social
When
service?
I was in, when I was a student, I was the student activist college life and university days. That time we fought against the autocracy in India from 1975 to 77. We fight for the rights of the student from beginning of my life. 25. So, and that time we also fight with the rights of the farmers, rights of the labor class, and marginalized population. So when I have to complete my education, I have to decide if I will devote to the marginalized population to bring them in the ministry, and that inspires me.
That's nice.
Because the first time when I go to the slums in 1975, I saw there is lots of children. They are poor. The people are living on like insects. They does not have any facilities, even the electricity, house, sanitation, nothing with them. So this So I was very shocked. That time I I decided I will work to bring them as I am living in my life.
That was nice, sir. Sir, like I was talking to you, and you told that you were doing some Jai Prakash Naik Andolan
Yes,
when you were in school. So you can
yes,
tell us something about that. What was that Andolan?
yes, yes. It is very popular movement. Kal is the second freedom joined from Rajasthan. That time I in the first year of my college, and we organized the dharnas, rally, pradarsan, demonstration against the corruption and the unemployment and rights of the students. And after that, the emergency was by the Indira Gandhi when that time she was the Prime Minister of India, and we all go underground and we organized the Open Student Union. मतलब the है ना, and the name of that student was the Rajasthan Democratic Students Fund. That was the non-political organization, and I was given the responsibility state secretary of that student union. And I was traveling all the districts of Rajasthan. There was student movements. I organized them. I helped them to fight against the college, university, administration with the government.
So that was nice, sir. Like when you help to the slum areas and some slum peoples and poor people, how it feels like.
You know, मतलब when we work with them, I always feel that this is my social responsibility, because you know the Indian society, we have divided in the different castes or caste system. We have the four major castes: Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudras. More than 95% of the population who are living on the street or slums or the rural areas, they belong to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and minorities. All of them they belong to Sudras according to our caste system. And from thousands of years, they are out of the society. They have nothing the rights to get education, development, to change their life. So when they start to change the society, to fight for their rights, this is our social responsibility. The people who belong to upper caste, they have to support them, because we are the responsible the, their present situation. Our forefathers divided the society, and they refused to give them the minimum human rights. So this is my social responsibility which I received from my family, from my forefathers.
That was nice to hear, sir. Sir, like any like why should what according to you, why should our generation focus on sustainability development?
You know, this time, है ना, at the and in the present scenario, the India mostly and even all the world, they are suffering in very specific situations. During the COVID-19 period, it comes out very clearly. Employment is the heaviest rate in the world. Inflation is very high, and it's going on every sector. So there is a lot of unemployment of the population, migration, many hundred thousands people are killed. So from to this period, it is very big challenge to get the jobs, employment, a better future, and it is when the new economic policies which should be the people's friendly, the youth friendly, and we have to develop the new economic system. So this is the result of the present the situation. It is the cause, or it is the of the our economic policy and system and models. So they have to change and establish a new people's economic system for the to fight with the disparity, fight for the employment and the rights which will be given by our society. So there is a big challenge for our new generation to think about the social change, to think about the new society, which should be based on the humanitarian approach, on the economic and social justice and the cultural justice.
It will be nice like if our generation will focus on social service, because right now many of them are like they are so conscious and they are just up to them. They are not trying, they are not helping, they are not doing social service. So and so like as due to COVID-19, obviously you everyone has faced a problem, so many problems. So what problem did you face and like in your organization, and how did you manage that?
In the
Yes, sir. I was asking like due to COVID-19, you all face problem, and even you told that you are travel, you are like mostly you travel so many places for your work. Then how, what have you done, and what how you overcome it?
yes, sir. Yes, no? So well, during COVID-19, when it was declared on 2nd of March 2019, sorry, 2020.
Yes, sir.
So our team of people in JKSMS, we organized a meeting on 26th of March. We and before the meeting, we talked to the people in the different segments, slums, pavements, and the backward areas of the city. We asked their what is their situation and what is their need. We find there people who are working on everyday basis and they depend on the daily wage, they are daily wage workers, start to getting the big problem of the food. Then we organized a meeting on 28th of March in JKSMS. Decide कि we have to start a campaign to supply the ration and ready-made food to the population who is very needy. And I can say कि proudly कि from March to 30 June, we have 2,14,000 of people in the Rajasthan. We supply them the food, ready-made food and food material for regularly.
That was great, sir.
We receive help from our friends, well-wishers, and we organize a campaign with our help of our associations also. We develop a network with them, and we find people very in the big problem. Lot of people they are migrating by foot of many hundred kilometers city to their own village or own city. The people who could not go their house but they are living in the slums or pavements, they nothing to eat, even their small children to feed them.
Yes, sir.
So we help them from this kind of yeah. But it is still they are in the problem
Yes, sir.
because they are not getting the proper job, proper wages. They are underpaid or thousands of youth are even they are unemployed from their establishment, organized in the organized and sectors.
Yes, sir. Even many of them has left, like they have lost their job also. So it's to, if like is
Yes. They do
yeah.
their job.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And even now also many of them are
I can
facing
say
problems.
one yeah. I can show you to one example. One of I know a person who was a representative in a company, in pharmaceutical company. Before COVID-19, he was getting the salary of 35,000 a month. But after the COVID-19, in the month of July, like 4 months, there was a lockdown. And during lockdown, he got nothing from the company. And after that, when he reached to the company in the month of June, he told them, we can give you only the 7,500 rupees per month as a salary. If you want, you can work, otherwise, you can find another job.
Wait, from
And he was
35
compared to
to
work in the like percent of salary. Now he is working there.
so sad. So like from 35,000 to 7,500. It's
Yeah.
it's a loss.
So
It's a
this
big
is one
loss.
example. Big loss. Big loss.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, one last question. Like, if any message you would like to share to the coming generation, any motivational message or anything.
I want to say my all friends, young friends, he, they are trying to get future, but their future is also related to social and economic condition of the society. So, thinking about themselves, they should also think about the social and economic system and the well-being of the others. If the world will be better for all the population, then they could also find a better world for them.
Yes, sir, definitely. Like, we should think about ourselves also, even for others also who actually want help, who actually need help, sir. And we will definitely follow
Yeah,
this,
sure.
like, and we will definitely do this also. As you are doing, and you are a great achiever for us, and you are inspirational. And because of you, we are inspiring. We are getting inspired by you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving your time. Thank you for your from your busy schedule. You have given us time, sir. Thank you for joining us. Sajanya ma'am, you would like to say something?
And thank you for also, and thank you for you also, your mentor and the college. Just give me opportunity to speak with you, and I can express myself in front of you, and through you, my message will go the youth, especially like you and your prestigious college.
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir, definitely.
definitely.
That is the aim. So,
With
I,
your mentor also,
so I'm
and the Dr. Sumitra Prasad.
definitely, sir. We will pass it on. So, we from Dore Foundation are trying to achieve what you said. We're trying to take inspirational stories, take the message of people who are working in the field to what you've told us about, working at the grassroots level, working with the people, working with the community. So, these are all inspiration. These are all motives. This is all stories that people need to hear for awareness. A lot of sensitization is possible only when people hear the stories of people being in the field. So that's why we're trying to create this catalog. Thank you so much for giving us your time. this is a small token from our small little token of appreciation from our side that you joined in our in our journey to creating this catalog, fire and create sensitization. So a small little token of appreciation, sir.
Wait a minute, sir.
Thank you, the friends of the.
Sir, we are presenting you
And
one
I was.
token.
So just 1 minute, it'll be on the screen in a moment.
Thank you to Ritika and friends. Thank you.
Thank
You for this lovely gift, lovely
It's
presentation.
just a
Thank you.
small little something, sir, but thank you so much for being a part of Dore Foundation's catalog to inspire and create sensitization. Thank you for giving us time. Thank you for sharing all of your stories. It was really nice to have you with us today.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
sir.
friends. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.